Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to do a very short practice. If you don't have much time, this is only going to take a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or a couple of minutes more, not more than that. But before we begin, please don't forget to hit that button. Please subscribe, like this video, it really helps me. It can be a form of exchange for this class. So we're going to start with a twist. So we're going to lie on the back and then take the knees towards the chest. Then here we're going to take both the legs to the left. The left hand is going to lightly rest on the thigh and add a little bit of weight on the top of the leg, of the right leg, on the outside of the right leg, and then the right arm is going to extend and you're going to take a twist from the waist, twist to the right or towards the sky, and then extend the right arm to the side. Palm can face up or down if you prefer, and if you find that reach quite a little bit too much, then you can change the angle at the armpit and just bring the arm a little further closer to the body, and the palm can also turn down. So whatever you like, whatever is best for your body, take a couple of deep breaths here. Then, carefully, we're going to come to center, and then we're going to repeat on the other side. So we take the legs to the right hand rests on the outer thigh, and then we extend the left arm towards the side. Again, you can close that angle at the armpit if you prefer, and you can turn the palm down if you prefer. Deep breaths. And then from here, to come out of the pose, you can roll to the side, so like you're lying on your side, and you can push yourself up to sit. Then we're going to come to sit on the heels. And if you find it difficult to fold in this position with the knees together, you can separate the knees as much as you need. And then here, try to keep your hips down. Doesn't matter if they lift a little, but try to keep them down, and then you're going to come forward. And here you can stay on your hands. You're going to feel a stretch on the lower back, but more than anything. So feel for that pose, and if you feel that stretch and you feel that more going further, it will be too much, just stay there. Or you can go into your forearms. Or you can extend the arms and let the forehead rest down. For this last position, you can keep the pressure on the palms and keep the arms extended. Or you can do a more relaxed position, letting the forearms rest on the floor. And here we take a couple of deep breaths. Then we carefully come up. And then we're going to set ourselves on the forearms. You can have the forearms parallel and the palms down, or you can bring the palms together and maybe even perhaps interlace your fingers. From here we're going to extend the legs and find a nice plank on the forearms. So you want your tailbone to reach towards your heels. So keep that reach of the tailbone and engage your front abdominals. I'm going to take a few breaths here. And then with an exhalation, very, very slowly, we're going to lower ourselves down, or lower the hips down, rather. Here, we're going to point the toes. There's a little action of the forearms, so the arms are pushing on the floor to help us lift, so we're not sinking down. And then at the same time, they're pulling back a little, and that will help you get a little bit of length on the lower back. And feel that the lower back ribs are coming towards the center of the body and forward. And you're going to roll your shoulders back a little. And then here we're going to take a couple of deep breaths. To come out of the pose, you can separate your elbows to let your chest gently come down. Then use your arms to push yourself up. Then you're going to come into a sit. Remember, sitting cross-legged is also an option. And we're going to move the shoulders, so forward, upwards, down, and backwards. Inhale as the shoulders come forward and up, and exhale as they roll back and down. From here, we're going to rest the hands slightly on the lap, slightly lift your chest, let the back of the neck be long and soft, and then take a couple of nice and deep breaths. And then you're ready to go. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this class. Don't forget to take a look of some of my other videos, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.